from Bugeye Guys. Look at us. This is a little Bugeye called Little Lulu, and it has a great horn, and it's an adorable, wonderful car, and you're going to get to see in this video how nice it is to drive. I thought I would voice over this one because it's just such a cool car, and I had some nice things to say. One of the things that I really appreciate about this car is it has a beautiful original steering wheel. I just love them. They're like a sculptural art piece, and this one is beautifully glossy, and it just feels so nice. So you have this big honking steering wheel. It just is so well balanced with the car, and it looks so gorgeous. It's such a nice vintage thing. It's one of my favorite parts of this particular car. And the car revs really nicely. Those are the turn signals, that switch in the center, and the indicator in the center above the steering wheel horn push is what you get. Very simple, basic Bugeye stuff, and it revs nicely. And it stops nicely as well. We've just gone back through the car and pretty much given it a mechanical refresh of everything. Wiring, brake lines, hydraulic parts, all brand new. It's kind of got a whole new chapter, and it's really fun to drive through these twisty turns. You can see you can rev the car pretty easily and pretty freely. This is, of course, where Bugeyes are really in their element, around 40, 50 miles an hour. A lot of fun. Feels like you're going a lot faster than you are, so you really don't have to go very fast to have a whole lot of fun. And this car will allow you to do that. It's a very tight car. We've gone back through the suspension as well and made sure that whoever ends up with this car will really have a nice driving machine. Notice, of course, these cars corner just so nicely and very well balanced, very unintimidating, and very flat. You see there's just about zero body roll. A Bugeye is, of course, a car that you pretty much wear, and in that way you're able to really feel the road and experience driving in a very old-fashioned analog way. And hopefully you can get some of that feel from these videos. You're able to just drive and be in the air and be in the vehicle. Nowadays in modern cars, everyone's so insulated. Everybody's doing two things at once while they're driving. They're looking at something else, whether it's a computer screen or some sort of navigation program, or they're posting on Facebook, whatever people do while they're driving nowadays. This is not that. This is basic raw driving. And here's starting in second. You'll see at a walking speed, you can leave it in second gear, start in second, and that's not a problem. The car pulls nicely. Now we're in the village of Stony Creek in Connecticut, which is where I'm headed to go swimming. It's high tide, so we have another nice test drive to the high tide scene, and that's something for which we're very grateful. Keeps me in good shape. And that is one neat little restored Bugeye called Little Lulu. If you'd like to see it, you'll find more information at the Bugeye Guys website, including a whole slew of photos. Sometimes in the comments people say, why don't you post photos? Well, they're all at our website. You'll see maybe 30 or 100 photos, underside and everything, engine bay. The very clean car, Little Lulu from Bugeye Guys. And thanks for coming for a drive with me today.